Hello! Good evening, everyone. This is my first channel. Welcome! And by the way, my name is Yel. Um, I'm a single mother of one to my baby Aidan. And um, as videos go by, makikita nyo siya. Kasi so far, naglalaro pa siya. So, hindi siya maiistorbo. But anyway, again, welcome to my channel. Yeah, palakpakan naman dyan. And my channel name is Yel Pinky Pink. So, Yel Pinky Pink comes from the word pink, syempre, and my name, Yel. Because pink is my favorite color. So, see yung damit ko, yung blanket ko, everything is in pink. Most of my things are pink. So, a little bit background. Let's get to know each other first. I'm 21 years old. I'm a single mom. I started as a single mom to Aidan, my son, who is already 6 years old. So, yes, tama po kayo dyan. Single mom po ako before. That was before. I've been single for 4 years. For 4 years. And, ayun, I gave birth, tama kayo, when I was so young. Or, yung mga tao sa millennials, mga batang nabuntis. Pero hindi ako maaga naglandi. Bata lang nabuntis. That was 6 years ago. So, mga magsi-16 ako nun. Tingin ko. Tama ba? 16. Magsi-16 ako nun, guys. Pero, please, wag niyong tularan. Okay? Wag niyong tularan kasi hindi siya tama. Very, very wrong siya talaga. But, anyway, ayun. Undergraduate ako ng tourism sa Fatima. So, hello sa mga Fatimanians dyan. And, what else? Sa ngayon, I have a boyfriend for 3 years na. And, makikilala nyo rin siya as the videos go by. So, pag nag-upload ako, you will see them from time to time. So, ayun, if you do have questions or you want to know anything, any questions, feel free to comment below. And sasagutin ko yon hanggang sa makakaya ko ng very, very honest. So, ayun, ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo first para sa unang video vlog ko is being a single mom, of course. Marami sa ating mga Filipinos ang single mom. And, you know what? I'm very proud to say I'm one of those. Kasi, hindi siya biro, guys. Marami siyang struggles, maraming pain that comes with it. Tsaka, diba, parang lately, nauso yung issue about, sa politics, yung about single mom. So, ayun, feeling ko magandang topic tong pag-usapan. Ayun, parang kwentuhan lang tayo, okay? For my first vlog. Nung time na yon, first boyfriend ko siya. And then, ayun, syempre pag first love mo, in everything, ibibigay mo siya talaga lahat. Diba? Parang, lahat naman tayo na-experience yun. So, ayun, eventually, parang, we've been together for a year. Pero, I don't wanna give more details pa, but he's much older than me. Pero not that old, na parang ugod-ugod. Hindi siya ganun. Siguro mga 5 years difference, age difference. Tapos, ayun, I was so naive, I would say. Tapos, nagkagusto ko because of how he looks, not how he is. Kasi diba gano'n naman yun, parang you see the facial look or yung mukha ng tao first instance, hindi naman yung kalooban agad. Pero as the years go by, or well actually 1 year lang naman kami, few months have passed, okay naman siya. He was sweet, he was kind and all, siguro dahil best foot forward nga, first love ko siya, first crush ko siya or what, first for everything siya. And then, ayun, I got pregnant. Mga magsi 6 months ko na yata sinabi sa parents ko yun. And then, I stopped. I work part-time sa mga bars. And then, ano pa ba? Mga racket-racket. I sell cosmetics, everything na pwede pang add. And then, nag-disappear siya na parang bula. To make it short. Pero, nagbigay ng money or sustento yung parents niya kasi I explained the side, I explained what happened. So, nagbigay naman ng support all the way until I gave birth, which is a good thing din naman. Kahit paano, di ba parang, nung time na ayoko na magpaka-pride, parang I've had too much na. So, ayun, tinanggap ko, especially cesarean section ako, guys. So, ayun, for a year, I live with my son alone lang. And then, parang pasuyo-suyo lang sa mag-aalaga, ganun. Kasi I had to work para sa mga things niya, mga kailangan niya. And then, ayun, eventually, nakaipon kami and then nakapag-settle kahit paano ng maayos. We started sa isang room lang, parang bed space. And then later on, nakapag-rent kami ng apartment. What else? Pero mga around 2 years old yung baby ko. Sorry ako, nanghingi ako ng apologize sa parents ko. Kasi, I know it's my fault. At saka, ano siya bunso ako. So, parang, sobrang sama yung loob nila and I can't blame him for that or I can't blame them for that. Kasi, diba, syempre, parang, girl ka, tapos maaga na buntis and all. So, bumalik kami sa parents ko. Pero, I'm proud to say na wala akong inasa sa kanila. Kasi, parang most of the time, ako lahat yung gumagastos. Like, the food, all that we need. Kasi ayoko na isipin nila na nagkamali ako and then parang inayos. Or, parang inano ko yung responsibility sa kanila. Which is, ayoko yung ganun. So, ayun, 4 years na ganun, na single mom, and then nagwo-work. Tapos, nag-transfer ako sa call center nung nag-reach ako ng 18. So, ayun, hindi ko naranasan ng mga debut, mga ganun, mga engranding birthday, kasi maaga ko nabuntis, mga party. But then, wala akong pinagsisisihan dun. Kasi, wala kasing blessing yun. Never nagka-chance na inisip ko na, alam mo na, yung mga pangit na iniisip mo sa baby mo pag hindi mo siya gusto. So, ayun lang. So, if ever na nandun kayo sa ganong situation or ganitong situation na na-experience ko before, everything happens for a reason. Na hindi ibibigay ni Lord yan kung hindi mo kakayanin, or you will not gain anything from it. Trust me. You just need to be brave, Ayun, you just need to be brave. Sorry, kasi naglalaro yung anak ko, si Aidan. Feel free to comment down below and check my page. See ya on my next video.